Welcome back. Today is March 1st and also the official start of Women's History Month. A High Point University student has created 2 products that are helping to foster a love for the STEM field in children and students. Our Jackie Pascal went out to HPU to chat with her and learn more about her creations.
Yeah, I'm with Erin Morrow here at High Point University, and we have a lot of things in front of us, Erin, that you have a big part in creating. Can you explain what we're looking at?
Yeah, so right here we have finger flyer drones. This is an educational tool we sell to schools, and it's a quadcopter drone. You can buy it right now at fingerflyer.com. And to the right of it is Rossum Robots. This is our newest product. This is a working prototype. There's some things that are going to be different in the final version, but it's also an educational tool.
Can you show us a little bit and explain how it's an educational tool while you're showing off the movements here?
Yeah, so for the drone, we sell them with 5 corresponding lab activities that explain science, technology, engineering, and math as students assemble and investigate the drone. So all you do, there's no controllers, it's all gesture controlled, so you just toss it in front of you. It's programmed to do spins. Students have a lot of fun with it, as you can imagine, in the classroom.
Yeah.
And Rossum will be a little different. Rather than just covering science, technology, engineering, and math, Rossum we're trying to make more interdisciplinary by covering language arts and social studies as well. And Rossum is a gesture-controlled robot arm. So these are the automated commands, but we also have the wearable sleeve. It's connected with a matrix of sensors. So as you put on the sleeve and move your arm, the robot arm will emulate that motion. But we also have programmed automated commands, and I have this one set to show the joint movements that it does. Again, this is a working prototype, so it's not perfect. But yeah, as students completely build it and code it, they will learn about all the subjects. That's it waving.
You are a junior, correct me if I'm wrong?
Yeah.
How did you get into doing this and creating products that people can actually buy as a junior in college?
Yeah, so I actually started freshman year. My friend, my business partner actually, was working on the drone technology, and he was marketing it more as like a tool, or a toy, excuse me. And I'm an education major, and one morning it kind of just dawned on me that this would be a really great hands-on educational tool. So I called him up, we became business partners, we created the labs, and instantly we just started selling to schools. We just took the idea and ran with it. Now, two years later, I'm a junior, and it was time to expand now that Finger Flyer is running itself in a way. Obviously, we still have customer acquisition rates and all that, but it was time to expand and sell more.
Very cool that you're having this experience at this age already. And I'm wondering what your future goals might be. Obviously, again, very successful right now, but I know you have some things in the works for your other products.
Yeah, so the goal for this summer is to get Rossum completely done. We have connections with manufacturing supply chains because Finger Flyer, so we're going to work with those, get Rossum manufactured and start selling it, create those labs, get them copyrighted, protect our information a bit. And then my long-term goal is to be a teacher. All right, I'm an education major. I'm studying mathematics, middle school education, so I want to really implement these tools in my classroom. They cater to all types of learners, and I think that they would just be a great tool, and a lot of schools that have them say the same thing, so I'm excited to use them myself and expand.
Well, along those same lines, STEM is such a big thing right now in terms of education and bringing especially women into that field. How does this play into your future goals with that, and what do you think of the importance of having that STEM hands-on experience in a classroom?
Yeah, so growing up, I really didn't like science, technology, engineering, and math, and now I'm a math major, but it really hit me in middle school when I had this teacher in 8th grade who taught math, but it was super hands-on, super applicable, and that's kind of what inspired me to get more involved. So my goal is to inspire other students. Even though I can't be in a classroom full of 1,000 students and inspire them, with these products, I'm hoping that them being in the classroom will inspire the future generations with future-proof skills as well.
Well, I've never seen a drone like this before in my life. I've seen some that are much bigger, so I think these are really, really cool products. Thank you so much for informing us and speaking with us about these, and I'll have you kind of do one last demo as we send things back to the studio. I'm very bad at throwing this, by the way. I think I did it wrong, but.
Yep, so all you do is put on a flat palm and throw it up.
And we flip it, turn it off. I think that's best for me.